Samsung just flipped the entire smartphone world on its head. This isn't a simple upgrade. This is a statement. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has officially been revealed. And it's not just about faster performance or better cameras. Samsung has made a shocking move that no one saw coming. They've completely removed a key feature we've seen for years. The under-display camera is gone, scrapped. Instead, we're back to a traditional punch-hole selfie cam right on the main screen. And while that might seem like a step back, it's actually a power move aimed at drastically improving photo quality. Because let's be honest, the UDC never truly delivered flagship results, but that's just the beginning. The Fold 7 looks like something straight out of Tony Stark's lab. When folded, it measures just 9mm thick, thinner than the Galaxy S25 Ultra unfolded, and you're holding a futuristic slab that's just 45mm thin, sleeker than most wallets. At only 215 grams, it's lighter than the iPhone 16 Pro Max and every other foldable on the market, including the Oppo Find N5. Samsung has crafted a device that's not just functional, it's elegant, futuristic, and shockingly pocketable. And this time, they fixed the one thing users kept complaining about: the cover screen. No more cramped interfaces or awkward typing. It now feels like a proper smartphone when closed and a full-blown tablet when opened. Inside, you're greeted by a massive 80-inch AMOLED display, the largest ever on a Samsung foldable, with razor-thin bezels and immersive visuals that make even Netflix feel premium. Two colors have leaked so far: jet black and blue shadow. And that blue shadow is already turning heads. Expect more shades and limited editions at launch that will vanish faster than pre-order stock. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy Elite Edition, tuned for ultimate performance paired with Galaxy AI. This chip unlocks next-level multitasking, gaming, and battery efficiency. Yes, it still packs a 4400 mAh battery like the Fold 6, but thanks to optimization, it feels like it lasts longer and smarter. Editing 8K videos, gaming, video calling, and running multiple apps side by side, the Fold 7 handles it effortlessly. Let's talk cameras, because this is where Samsung really flexes. The Fold 7 features the same 200MP sensor found on the S25 Ultra, but supercharged with Samsung's new AI Photonic Engine. Expect sharper HD, richer colors, and unbelievable night photography, all without switching to manual mode. Add in a 12MP ultra wide and a 3x optical zoom lens, and you've got a phone that folds and shoots like a DSLR. On the software side, Samsung is making history again. The Fold 7 will be the first device to ship with One UI 8 based on Android 16, and it comes with a massive promise: 7 years of software updates. That's laptop-level support on a foldable smartphone. One UI 8 brings sleeker animations, new lock-to-home dynamic wallpapers, deeper AI tools, and a smarter ecosystem that works across Galaxy Buds, Galaxy Watch, and more. All eyes now turn to July 9th when Samsung's Unpacked event hits New York. That's when the Fold 7 will launch alongside the Flip 7, Galaxy Watch 8, and maybe a surprise or to possibly even a teaser for Samsung's rumored AR glasses. Early leaks and dummy unit comparisons already show, leaving the Fold 6 in the dust. The new design is cleaner, the camera bump looks intentional, the hinge feels invisible, and that punch hole, while controversial, might actually win fans over once they see the photo results. So here's the real question: did Samsung just perfect the foldable, with Apple still years away from launching their first foldable? Samsung is now on Generation 7. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit subscribe, and get ready, because the tech world is about to unfold like never before.